Shut they slow ass cars up. Oh, okay. I know you hear that. Yeah.
Get off your knees, you gotta cry to me. Even if you say I'm got you still might lie to me. Hop on a jet and get gone, they won't fly with me. Think you pulling strings, but I got my guitar with me. Whoa, you ain't shit, yeah, I know how this goes. It's always me, that's why my heart is cold. But I ain't tripping, cause I know I'm chosen. I'm a ball in this bit like the rose. And heart frozen, it can't go boom, 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 boom. Don't know where I'm going, but I'm a zoom, 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 zoom. I can't control it. I'm trying not to lose my cool. Weight on my heart, it makes it hard for it to go boom, 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 boom.
Oh, I'm a little crazy.
Speed check reported ahead on I-75 North. At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto 17th Street Northwest. Turn left.
All I know is that man better drive slow and safe, because I am not built for that. All right, go ahead, Jeep. You ain't no damn track hawk. I shouldn't have let you go. Oh, blue car gotta wait. Sorry, blue. You gotta wait, my boy. All right, we're gonna follow you. Hey, it's always hard when you trying to follow people, because you don't know. See, that boy cutting over. Hey, what you doing, my dog? Why everybody cutting over? What's in the road? Oh, that big ass. Woo! Ooh! Uh-oh, prom or something like that. Okay, they got some prom going on. Come on, man. Oh my God, they're turning. There we go. All right, boom, let's go. Which way he go? Okay, right lane. I stopped. I'm going again. Shut they slow ass cars up. Oh, okay. I know you hear that. Yeah. Ooh. You think somebody was getting shot every time that boy downshift? Bumps. Oh, that always hurt. Come on, turn green then. He trying to edge up. You ain't trying to do that, twin. You don't want to do that to yourself. You don't want to do that to yourself. You don't want to do that to yourself. Let's see. Come on. We'll be back. does, dude. Let go. Let go, Unc. Pull that shit up. Pull it up. If I see some shit in your drawers, my boy. All right, let go.
Hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm texting her. If you want, then we can box, if you want, get it.